Hi friends, today we'll focus releasing tension in the shoulders, neck, and upper back, bringing a sense of relaxation and ease to the upper body. If you are enjoying this program, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. It helps me to continue creating content just for you. So without further ado, let's start. Take a deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and then slowly exhale through your nose, releasing any stress or tension. Now let's take a deep breath in. As you exhale, lower your chin towards the chest, then slowly roll the head to the right. Bring your right ear towards your right shoulder. Feel the stretch along the left side of the neck. Stay here for 3 to 5 breaths, or gently sway your head left and right if that feels good. When you are ready, roll your chin back to center, then over to the left side, stretching the right side of the neck. Hold here for a few breaths and repeat the movement. Now let's go through another round, following your breath. Finally, gently sway your head side to side as slowly as possible. Breathe in deeply with each motion. Invite a sense of surrender. With each exhale, imagine the tension dissolving, leaving space for lightness and ease. Let yourself soften. Next, inhale and bring your shoulders forward as you lift them up towards your ears. Exhale, push them back and down, creating a smooth circular motion. Feel the stretch across your upper back as you move. Repeat this a few times, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale. Next, reverse the direction. Inhale and open your chest as you lift your shoulders up. Exhale and push your shoulders forward as you lower them down. Let the movement be smooth and intentional, as if you are gently massaging away any tightness. Continue for a few breaths, letting each roll bring a sense of ease and freedom to your shoulders. Now let's come back to a comfortable seated position for cow face arms. Reach your left arm up into the sky. Then bend your elbow, bring your hand down the back. Reach your right arm behind you, aiming to clasp your hands together. If your hands cannot meet, feel free to use the strap between them. Gently draw the elbows towards each other. Feeling the deep stretch across the shoulders and triceps. Breathe deeply into the upper back and shoulders. Hold here for 5 to 10 breaths, or as long as you need to. As you breathe, gently turn the neck to different angles, exploring where you can feel the stretch most intensely. Allow the movement to deepen your awareness and enhance the sensation in your shoulders and triceps. Now let's switch sides. Reach your right arm up into the sky, Then bend your elbow, bring your right hand down the back. Reach your left arm behind you, aiming to clasp your hands together. Feel free to use the strap between the hands. Gently draw the elbows towards each other, feeling the stretch across the shoulders and your triceps. Hold here for a few breaths. Breathe deeply into the stretch and allowing the sensation to deepen. Now come to a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Align your wrist under your shoulders and knees under hips. Take a moment to find your stability here. From here, let's slowly begin to walk your hands forward. One hand at a time. Let your chest lower towards the floor, but keep your hips over your knees. Extend your arms long in front of you and gently press your palms into the mat. Spread your fingertips wide. As you reach forward, aim to bring your chest closer to the ground while maintaining a long spine. Allow your forehead to gently rest on the mat, or if it doesn't feel comfortable, place a block or cushion underneath your head or a pillow under your chest for support. In this position, focus on lengthening through the spine and drawing your shoulder blades down and away from your ears, creating space across your chest. Breathe deeply into this stretch, allowing the chest to soften and the upper back to lengthen with each inhale and exhale. Hold here up to 1 to 2 minutes. Feeling the deep stretch along your shoulders, spine, and chest. Let your body melt into the pose, releasing any tension in your back and shoulders. Slowly walk your hands back and return to a tabletop position. Now shift your weight forward and gently lower yourself onto your stomach, extending your legs straight. Interlace your fingers behind your lower back. Inhale, engage your core, begin to lift your chest, shoulders, and head off the ground. Breathe. If collapsing the hands feels uncomfortable, hold on to a strap or just keep your hands resting by your sides with the palms facing down. At the same time, lift your legs, keeping them straight and active, with your inner thighs hugging towards each other. Gently release your hands and the chest, bend your knees and reach back with both hands to grasp of your ankles or feet from outside. If it is difficult to reach, use the strap for support. Inhale, press your feet firmly into your hands as you lift your chest and the thighs off the mat. Keep your knees hip distance apart or slightly closer. Feel the stretch across your chest and shoulders as your heart opens. Breathe deeply, allowing the breath to expand through the belly and ribs. Slowly release whenever you feel ready. Rest your heart and chest on the ground, surrendering to the support of the earth beneath you. Allow this moment of stillness to ground you. Extend your arms out to a T position. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, gently roll the body onto the left side. Bring your right foot behind your left leg for support. Keep your left arm grounded, feeling the deep stretch in your left shoulder and chest. Keep your right hand pressed into the mat in front of you for support, or release your right arm behind your lower back, allowing the shoulder to open even more. Let your breath guide you, softening into any area of resistance. Stay here for 5 to 10 breaths. Then gently roll back to center. Inhale here and exhale. Turn onto your right side. Bring your left foot behind your right leg. Keep your right arm extended, grounding through the mat. and notice the sensation along your right shoulder and chest. Either keep your left hand on the floor for support or release it behind your back for a deeper opening. Breathe deeply, allowing space to open in the shoulders with each exhale. Stay here for a few more breaths, then gently return to center when you are ready. Rise up and bring your shins together, taking a seat on your heels. Gently grab onto your heels with both hands. Inhale, lengthen through the spine, lifting the chest as you open through the heart. As you exhale, begin to round the spine, slowly tuck your chin to the chest. Fall forward. Bring the crown of your head to the mat as you curl inward. Lift your hips slightly, allowing a deeper stretch to travel through the upper back and the shoulders. Keep holding onto your heels, gently drawing them as you deepen into rabbit pose. Breathe deeply here, letting each inhale create space in the back body and each exhale invite deeper surrender. Then gently release by lowering the hips and slowly rolling back up to a seated position. Extend both legs in front of you. Bend your left knee and place your left foot outside or inside your right thigh. Keep your right leg extended or bent. Inhale, lengthen through the spine, sitting tall. As you exhale, twist to your left, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, create more space in the spine. With each exhale, gently deepen into the twist, gazing over your left shoulder. 5 to 10 breaths here, feeling the gentle detoxifying effects of the twist. Now, keeping your legs in the same position, slowly unwind and rotate your torso to the right, bringing your right hand behind you for support. Let this counter twist balances your spine, holding for the same amount of time. Notice the softness of your breath, a quiet stillness within, and the gentle unwinding of tension with each exhale. Slowly unwind back to center. Now let's switch sides. Bend your left knee and place your right foot inside or outside your left thigh. Inhale, lengthen the spine, lifting through the crown of your head. Exhale, twist to your right. Place your right hand behind you for support. Breathe deeply, allowing the twist to release any stored tension. Now complete the full round of the twist by rotating your torso to the left while keeping your legs stable. With each breath, invite a sense of a balance into the body. Notice the balance between both sides, the release of any lingering tension, and the openness created within. Gently return to center. Last but not least, seated forward fold. Inhale, lengthen through the spine and shoulders. As you exhale, fold forward from your hips, letting your chest lower towards your sides. Reach for your feet, ankles, or shins, whatever is accessible. Focus on keeping the shoulders relaxed and neck soft. With each inhale, lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, deepen the fold, releasing the tension in your shoulders and neck. Stay here for 5 to 10 breaths. Whenever you're ready, slowly rise back up to a comfortable seated position. Rest your hands on your knees, close eyes, and take a few moments to notice how your shoulders, neck, and upper back feel. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently ease into a state of relaxation, letting the body soften with each breath. Imagine this peaceful energy will stay with you, grounding you for a very long time. Thank you for joining today's practice. If you enjoyed this session, remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video in this program. Wishing you relaxation and peace throughout your day. Thank you for watching and thank you for coming. Namaste.